Cold Bastard review on the Cold Bastard 20-quart cooler. So far, it's doing pretty good. This is day 2, 24 hours. It's the Cold Bastard 20-quart. Compare it to Yeti. This is day 2. Got 3 waters in it. I had it filled right to the edge. This day 2. Still got ice. As you can see the water. I got 3 of them in there. So we're gonna see on the next video. We'll compare. But so far, this is day 2 on the Cold Bastard 20-quart cooler, which is a nice cooler. Got 2 bottle openers here. Pressure release valve. Drain plug. A nice little chain. 2 nice latches. It's very well built. Not too heavy. Nice handle. Love the color. I probably can't. But that's pretty much it, the Cold Bastard. There was no reviews on it, so I wanted to do some reviews on it. So, contents that you get with it, way more. I mean, you would have spent probably 70, 80 bucks with Yeti. You get your beer opener. Nice. Cold Bastard camo. It's your cutting board. That separates in the middle of the cooler. Got a nice little slot for it inside the cooler. Get a nice cup holder that actually goes with the cooler on the side. And then your little ice tray. Fits in perfect. You can see that's my Cold Bastard box. Only thing, it's cheaper to actually go on Cold Bastard's website and order the cooler. That's why I ordered it from the Amazon. That kind of sucked me, but we'll come back tomorrow and see where the ice is then. But this is day 2, and the ice still got ice, so it's doing pretty good. Y'all tune in, and we'll check it out tomorrow, see where it's at.